Imagine this, you're working from anywhere, the freedom to choose your office for the day, the beach, a coffee shop, your couch, you're your own boss. Orders roll in, your income grows, you set your own hours and the world is your workplace. This is the power of e-commerce, a business model that offers unparalleled flexibility and potential for growth. But how do you tap into it? How do you navigate the complexities and find your path to success? How do you find those winning products? The ones that will set your store apart and attract loyal customers? The answer might surprise you. It's not always about what you think. It's not about following the crowd. It's about thinking differently and finding unique opportunities. It's about uncovering the hidden gems, those products that others overlook but have immense potential. That's where Aidan Booth comes in, a seasoned e-commerce expert with years of experience. He's an e-commerce expert who's cracked the code. His strategies have helped countless entrepreneurs achieve their dreams. And he's sharing his secrets in a special one-day event, the Omega Project Workshop, a unique opportunity to learn from the best. This isn't just another online course. It's a comprehensive, live, interactive experience. It's a live, interactive experience designed to catapult your online business. Join us and transform your e-commerce journey. Most people chase the same crowded markets. They compete on price. They struggle to stand out in a saturated market. But what if there was a better way to succeed? What if you could find products with high demand and low competition? Products just waiting to be discovered by you. These are the hidden gems of e-commerce. These aren't your typical mass-produced items. They're unique, interesting, and often overlooked by many. And they have the potential to generate massive profits. Imagine finding a simple plant pot that brings in over $1,000 in a day. That's the power of hidden gems in the market. The Omega Project Workshop is your key to unlocking these hidden gems. Imagine having the ability to uncover products that are not only profitable, but also in high demand. This workshop is designed to give you the tools and knowledge you need to succeed in the competitive world of e-commerce. In this one-day event, Aidan Booth reveals his proven system for finding, sourcing, and selling these profitable products. You'll get an insider's look at the strategies that have made him a successful entrepreneur. From identifying market trends to negotiating with suppliers, every aspect is covered. You'll learn how to validate demand, optimize your listings, and drive traffic to your offers. These are not just theoretical concepts, they are practical steps you can take to improve your business immediately. Imagine the impact of having a well-optimized listing that attracts more customers and drives more sales. But it's more than just theory. The workshop includes hands-on sessions where you can apply what you've learned in real time. This ensures that you not only understand the concepts but also know how to implement them effectively. You'll get actionable strategies you can implement immediately. These strategies are designed to be simple yet effective, allowing you to see results quickly. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced seller, you'll find valuable insights that can help you grow your business. You'll discover the secrets of one-step velocity pages and the three-step validation method. These are powerful tools that can help you identify winning products and bring them to market faster than your competitors. You'll learn why focusing on high-demand products, not niches, is the key to success. This approach allows you to tap into larger markets and achieve higher sales volumes, giving you a competitive edge. Plus, you'll get a free copy of Aidan's book, 50 Secret Supersellers, packed with product ideas to get you started. This book is a treasure trove of information, offering you a head start in your e-commerce journey. Don't miss this opportunity to learn from one of the best in the industry. The Omega Project Workshop is happening today, January 23rd. This is not just another event, it's a pivotal moment designed to change the trajectory of your e-commerce journey. There are 3 live sessions to choose from, each tailored to fit your schedule and maximize your learning experience. 1 p.m., 5 p.m., and 9 p.m. Eastern Time. No matter where you are, there's a session for you. But here's the catch. This is a one-time event. No replays, no second chances. This is your moment to seize. This is your opportunity to join a community of like-minded individuals, all driven by the same goal, all eager to unlock the secrets of e-commerce success. Imagine the possibilities when you connect with others who share your passion. Don't let this chance slip away. Your future self will thank you for taking this step. Click the link in the description to secure your spot, choose your session, make the decision that could change everything, and get ready to transform your income and your life. This is more than just a workshop, it's a gateway to a brighter future. The world of e-commerce awaits. The tools, the knowledge, the community. It's all here. Are you ready to thrive? The choice is yours. Take action now.